Because he had called to pay the bill directly. There's no reason for a contract. There's no reason for anything. You do the damage, you fix it. That's all there is to it. Contract and trying to pay straight out is trying to get around not paying more than he has to pay. And
She had 4 of them, and she's waving at me. I reached out and grabbed it, and I had 3 down. Took 3 of them off. She just looked at it, her one goes, how did that happen?
That's great.
Swords with her.
I got Evan's video. That's cute. That's so cute.
it doesn't make sense. It's very simple.
You should just say, good job, like you didn't sign the fucking paper.
It's my car, my name.